All racers, attention please. The sea race is about to begin.
Listen to me. This is your moment. You have trained for this. You are ready. Trust yourself.
This race, it's ours. We didn't come this far just to participate.
Engines ready.
Same here. Conditions look good.
Stay sharp. The first turn will decide everything. Stay in your lane. You don't own the water. Move! You're cutting me off. This is insane. Winning is all that matters. I didn't come here to be fair. If you can keep up, I don't care what happens to you. This race belongs to me. If you fall behind, that's your choice. I will win. Something's wrong. The engine, it's not responding. I can't control it. It's shaking. Please. I told you, I would win. Every risk was worth it. This victory is mine. I'm here. I can't breathe. Oh my God. I made it. I made it. Someone help, please. We did it. This victory means everything to me. I did everything right. And this is how it ends? The engine's dead, just like my chances. I never thought it would be like this. Standing here, watching you smile with her.
Just a little more. The race is over.
It's quiet out here. I like moments like this. Just us.
Me too. When it's like this,
The engine responds perfectly. It's smooth, fast, and incredibly stable.
The handling is solid. Throttle response is clean.
you really thought you mattered? You were never strong enough for this.
Gentlemen, welcome to today's race. On the starting line, we have two outstanding competitors.
Prepare for the start. Move to your assigned positions and complete final equipment checks.
You can't do that. That's not racing. That's cheating. Have some respect for the sport. Win with skill, not dirty tricks.
And now, presenting the championship trophy to Mira.
Honestly, the standards these days are dreadfully low. It's exhausting being the only one with any taste.
I'm so tired of this. Why do I have to wash all these clothes alone? It just never ends. Absolutely disgusting. You belong in the cinders, not in this hall. She actually looks like a chimney sweep. Please stop it.
I swear, why does it always have to be me? It's freezing, it's dark, and this stupid bucket won't stop splashing.
Drink this. It's fresh from the well.
Thank you, child. May you be blessed.
Please, I'm begging you, stay away. Don't follow me. What a wonderful day for an adventure. I wonder what we'll find around the next bend. You utterly useless simpleton. You can't even hold a bucket without trembling, you worthless wench. Get out of— Ah! More! Give me more! Look at all the diamonds. We're rich.
We'll swap the real diamonds for fakes during the gala.
And the heirs?
make sure they disappear. Ugh, this is awful. I can't believe I have to trek through this filthy muck in this gown. Look at you, a ridiculous winged pest. You're worthless, you hear me? Absolutely worthless. You thought you could defy me. You'll regret this. Ah! I did it. I actually filled the bucket all by myself. Isn't this marvelous?
Just imagine the look on her face when this bucket hits the stage.
Oh, she'll be ruined. Utterly ruined.
Get away! Help me! You disobedient girl! Bring that bucket back to the ferry right now!
Your Highness, are you all right? Does your leg hurt terribly?
It pains me to say it is quite sore.
Are you certain this is the right path, my prince? The sun is setting quickly.
Trust the horses, they know the way. We will...
So lonely. I need to find a girlfriend. Let's see. This girl looks good. She's really beautiful.
Ah, Rumi, I missed you.
Me too, this is the best.
Why is the whole house full of trash? I need to clean up quickly. The house is much cleaner now.
What are you doing? I was sleeping.
I don't care. Get up right now. We're late.
Wait for me! This girl is so troublesome.
Hey! Give those back! I was eating that.
Why did you take my chips? Junk is finished. You are eating this salad now.
I don't want it.
No, get that away from me.
I said no! I am not eating this salad right now.
No, Rumi, please. Don't come closer. I'm sorry, I really am.
This isn't good. I need to find another girl instead. This is great. She's really cute.
Please play with me.
Because of her, I lost!
Are you scolding me? Feed me, please.
I'm happy you like it.
Yummy.
Just be careful not to spill it.
This soup is amazing. This is so good. Thank you, Jinu.
Did you take my soup?
That's it! I've had enough! I'm leaving!
This time I have to choose more carefully.
Let's go shopping!
Did I choose a girl who's addicted to shopping?
Wait, how much is this? This has to be a mistake.
My house has turned into a garbage dump. Where's my toothbrush? Disbelief. You used my toothbrush to scrub your feet? Forget it! I don't need a girlfriend anymore. A blue cat.
It's okay, Derpy. I'm here.
Turns out, I only need a pet. I love this life.
My dear Mira.
The aquarium is really beautiful. What happened?
You're coming with me! Whoa.
I got this for you.
Fam.
Oh no, help me! I'm blowing up and flying away!
photosynthetic reaction is off the charts.
Look at that, it actually worked!
It worked. It actually worked.
We did it! The stabilization matrix held. Hey, give that back! What are you doing? No! Oh!
It's going critical! Brace yourselves!
Someone help me!
Please don't step on me.
Help! Somebody please help me!
Go, Rumi! Go, Mira!
Let's go faster, faster! We can do this, come on! Let's go, faster!
We're gaining on them. I won! Yes! Thank you, everybody!
I can't believe we lost. You two were supposed to win this race. I really hate you!
Stop it!
Congratulations. You really deserve this.
Thank you! I'm just so happy right now! I lost again. It's my fault. I'm just not strong enough. I just came up with an idea. I can't give up like this. Please, my dragon, stay strong for me. Hold on just a little longer. Get better, and we'll face this together. This fruit has a magical power. Here, have a taste, my friend. Don't worry, little dragon. Everything will be all right. You're healthy again. I'm so glad. Yes! Let's do this. We did it! We won! Thank you everyone for your support, and especially to my incredible dragon. Thank you for this victory!